Good morning, children. You have already seen my first video, and in that first video, I have told you about your senior secondary level. Now you are having an idea about your senior secondary level. And in that video, I have already told you about your economics in the senior secondary levels. And in +2, you are having two parts. That is two papers you will be having. Part A is microeconomics and part B is statistics. Today, I am going to tell you about part A, that is microeconomics. Let us see that. So as I told you that part A, that is microeconomics, and it will be for 40 marks. All those I have already told you about. Now let us see what is microeconomics. But before starting with what is microeconomics, I want to tell you about what is economy. What is an economy? I need to tell you. Before learning about economics in detail, what is economics, all those, before that you should learn what is economy. You have often seen that people in your daily life, you have seen that people working or they have engaged in different works, isn't it? Have you ever think why they are working or why they are engaged in different activities? Of course, you know they are engaged in different activities because they want to earn money. Why they want to earn money? Because they need to have a living. For that, they are earning money. So I'm telling here about what is economy. So I'm saying that an economy is a system which provides people the means to work and earn a living. So now you came to know about what is economy. What is economy? It is a system in which is providing people means to work and earn a living. For instance, you have seen that people working in factories, mines, shops, office, and all these institutions, collectively I'm calling it as an economy. All these wherever people working and earning income or money, I am collectively calling them as an economy. So what is an economy? Economy is a system. It is a system which provides people the means to work and earn a living. Did you understand what is an economy? Examples, we can see many examples of economy or the people where they are working. There are mine, shops, office, etc. are the, we can say that the people are working over there and they are earning their income. And a good example for economy is Indian economy. Our India's economy is a good example for economy. So is it clear what is economy? Before learning what is economics, I told you about what is economy. Now, you have seen that if the people are working in many places or they are engaged in different activities, so I can say that in all these economy, there are mainly three activities where people are engaged. What are they? Production, consumption, investment, or capital formation are the main activities in an economy, or I can say it as the vital process of an economy. What are the vital process of an economy? Production, consumption, investment, or capital formation are the vital process of an economy, or their main activities. The three main activities of an economy are production, consumption, investment, or capital formation. All these you will be learning in your coming classes. So on the basis of production, consumption, and investment, an economy is divided into mainly three. They are capitalist economy or market economy, planned economy or socialist economy, and of course we are having the mixed economy also. On the basis of production, consumption, and investment, the economy is divided into capitalist economy, planned economy or socialist economy, and the mixed economy. So the vital process of an economy are production, consumption, and investment. Is it clear? Next, I'm seeing why I started the topic to tell you about what is economics. Before that, I'm asking you why we have to learn economy or why we have to study economy. There is mainly two reasons, and in that the first reason why we are learning economics is scarcity. What do you mean by scarcity? Scarcity refers to the limitation of supply. You, in your daily life also, you can feel that there are scarcity now with time because of COVID-19. We all are sitting at home and we are not going for to our activities, and what is happening, there is shortage of all the necessary things what is needed, so that we can say it as what, that we can say it as the scarcity. So what is scarcity? Scarcity refers to the limitation of supply in relation to demand for a commodity. That's why you could see that long queues in many places. The production and the distribution of all those things are limited, and the demand for that things are very large. That is by what is happening? Scarcity. So tell me, what is scarcity? Scarcity refers to the limitation of supply in relation to demand for a commodity. If there is no scarcity in an economy or in a country, we do not need to learn we do not need to study economics, but we know that it exists in everywhere. That is why we are studying economics. Another problem or another main reason for the learning or studying of economics is alternate use of resources. You know what are resources, isn't it? Then these resources can put to more than one uses. We are having these resources, and these resources can be put into many uses. So we have to know about in what we have to put these resources so that we can get a good results. So mainly you will understand it like that. Why we are studying economics? We are studying economics because of mainly two reasons. What are they? Scarcity and alternate use of resources. Because of these two things, we are learning economics. We are going to learn it in detail in another slide. So I'm saying that there is economic problem. The main economic problem is problem of choice. We are having resources, and we should know that where we should have to put these resources. So there arises a problem. That problem we are calling it as the problem of choice. And the resources are limited. What are the resources? Mainly we are having land, labor, and capital are the resources, and all these resources are in limited quantity, and our wants or our needs are unlimited. So there occurs a problem. That problem we are calling it as the economic problem. That means, what is economic problem? The economic problem is the problem of choice involving satisfaction of unlimited wants out of the limited resources. Here it is saying that the resources are limited, but our wants, the wants of the human beings are unlimited, and we have to satisfy these unlimited wants with the limited resources, and there occurs a problem that is called as the economic problem. Economic problem is basically a problem of choice. With that limited resources, what I have to make? Well, in your kitchen, if your mother is cooking, if there is 5 people in a house, 3 wants to make chapati and 2 wants to make puri. Okay, so with that flow, mother has to make chapati and puri. That means with one resource, we are having alternate choice. And there comes, and 2 of you are saying that we want chapati, and other are saying we want puri, and there occurs a problem over there. That is, in an economy, I'm saying that comes about what? That comes for the economic problem. Next, there are many reasons for the economic problem, but the main 3 problems are scarcity of resources, and next one is unlimited human wants, and the other one is alternate uses. As scarcity of resources, as you know, what are the resources we are having? Land, labor, capital, etc. are the resources. All these resources are of limited quantity only, but the human beings, their wants are unlimited. With the limited quantity, we have to satisfy the unlimited wants of the people. So here the first economic problem is scarcity of resources, and this is a basic problem of all the economy. What is that? The scarcity of resources is the basic problem of all the economy, and with this limited wants, we have to satisfy the unlimited needs. And this is not a problem of an individual. It is a problem. It is a universal problem. It is relating to the individuals, countries, and all other sectors. It is affecting. The scarcity of resources is not a individual problem. It is affecting the organizations. It is affecting the individuals, and it is affecting as a country as a whole also. Next one, unlimited human wants. Human wants are never going to satisfy. First, we will be thinking, I want a good house. Okay, I have constructed a good house. After that, my need is exceeding. I need a car. Like that, human wants are not going to satisfy. It is what it is going to be unlimited, and it is going to extend in the lifelong period. So the second reason for economic problem is what? Unlimited human wants. For that, what they will try to make more and more money again and again. So how they can make the money with the resources only. And the resources, what is the problem with the resources? And the resources are limited. Next one is alternate use. The alternate use means it is a problem related with the choice. As I have told you before also, the economy has to make choice between the alternate use of the given resources. For example, I could tell you that petrol. This petrol can be used for the vehicles. At the same time, this can be used for running factories or the machines. So we have to decide either this petrol I am using it for the purpose of running vehicles or using for the running the machines. So here I have to make the choice with the petrol, either to run the vehicle or to run the machines. Here I have to make a choice. That is the third problem. One resource is having alternate uses. So what are the reasons for the economic problem? The main reasons for economic problem are scarcity of resources, unlimited human wants, and alternate uses. So first I told you scarcity of resources. It is a basic problem of all the economy, and it is not related to an individual. It is a considering as a country as a whole. Next one, I told you about unlimited human wants, and the human wants are unlimited. With the scarce resources, we have to fulfill the unlimited wants also. And the third one is the alternate use. It is the problem of choice. We have to make a choice between what to produce. And here the choice should be wisely done so that the economy can be successfully run. Next one, I am telling you, we learned economy to say what is economics. What is economics? Economics is a social science which studies the way a society chooses to use the limited resources. Already said that the economy has to choose with the limited resources which have alternate uses to produce goods and services and to distribute them among the different groups of people. So the meaning of economics, you can learn this. What is the meaning of economics? It is a social science. First, I'm saying that it is a social science, and it is studying about the society to choose the use of limited resources, and alternate use are also there, and for whom they have to produce. This is the meaning of economics. So we have finished what is economics by checking what is an economy. Let's have a quick review. What is economy? First, I told you that what is an economy? It is a system which provides people the means to work and earn a income. An example for economy is Indian economy. Next one, what are the vital problems of an economy? What are the vital problems of an economy? The vital problems of an economy the vital problems of an economy is scarcity of resources, unlimited human wants, and alternate uses. Next one, we are saying that what is scarcity? What is scarcity? Scarcity refers to the limitation of the supply in relation to demand for a commodity. And next one, what do you mean by alternate use of resources? What do you mean by alternate use of resources? The alternate use of resources says that the resources can be put to more than one use. Next one, what are the reasons of economic problem? That also we have learned. Now there is what you have understood. I need to check that. So 5 questions are given over there. You have to answer that as fast as possible to me, and look, the 5 questions you will answer and send to me. Hope you have understood this. And in next class, we will see in detail about the microeconomics. Have a good day. Thank you.